Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching OBS as administrator so it can access protected windows. This often resolves permission blocks. Next, open Valorant and keep it in windowed or borderless windowed mode. That prevents exclusive full-screen conflicts. While you're here, right-click the Valorant exe, choose Properties, Compatibility, and disable full-screen optimizations so Windows won't intercept frames. Once done, make sure any overlay apps are closed because Steam, Discord, and GPU overlays commonly steal the capture feed. Now add a game capture source inside your OBS scene and pick capture-specific window. In the drop-down, select Valorant. exe explicitly. This targets the game and reduces false positives. Make sure mode is set to capture any full-screen application if you prefer that, or explicitly select the process for reliability. If you need overlays, toggle Capture Third-Party Overlays. If you still see a black screen, switch to Window Capture or Display Capture temporarily to identify whether the issue is finished by ensuring OBS and Valorant use the same GPU. Set both to the dedicated GPU in your graphics control panel so frames aren't routed across adapters. After changing GPU or permissions, restart both OBS and Valorant to apply settings cleanly. Confirm capture is working by testing a short recording. If you still get a black screen, swap game capture to display or window capture, update GPU drivers, and disable conflicting overlays. That single troubleshooting step resolves most remaining cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.